Good morning, ragazzi! So, ngayong araw ako ang magbablog. So, hindi ako mag-i-English. Try lang. Tagalog tayo today. Yeah? Mahal ko. Tagalog, yes, speak Tagalog.
Oo.
So, yan. Lumabas kami. Actually, pupunta kami sa magpapagupit daw siya. So, bago matapos ang aming bakasyon dito sa Italy, magpapa-haircut daw siya. So, yan, pupunta kami sa sentro. Kaming dalawa lang, wala si mama. Wala si ma'am, di namin kasama, saka yung kapatid niya. So, yan. Yan. Ang lamig, saka alas 2 na, pero yan lang ang araw. Sobrang makulimlim. Malapit lang naman yung yung sentro. How many minutes going to the center?
In 3 years.
5 minutes. 5 minutes. 10
10 minutes.
minutes. So where are we going? Linyago? We're going to Linyago. Okay. So yan, village yan, namin, yung bahay ng parents ng asawa ko, nasa village. Ano yung probinsya kung sa atin sa Pilipinas, probinsya. So yan. So ang gamit ko ay cellphone lang pang vlog. So baka ang aking footage ay hindi sobrang ganda kasi pag ang asawa ko ang may hawak ng camera, ang ginagamit niya ay GoPro. So ako gusto ko gamitin ay cellphone lang. Mas komportable ako sa cellphone. So ayan. Yan yung view namin, oh. Diba? Ganda ng langit, maulap. So yan, dito na kami sa malapit na sa sentro. So ayan. Pansin ko lang, marami ditong mga farm. Yung mga dinaanan namin, puro farm. Farm ng mais, farm ng gulay, ng cabbage. Yung cabbage ay nabubuhay sila kahit taglamig. So yan. Are we close to where we going to cut your hair? Almost.
When we have to search,
Yeah. Dito malalaki yung mga bahay, mga private house. Yeah. Memories, huh? Yeah. Yeah. So there's always something when you're coming back here. There's always something in your heart that, when you grow up in one place, it's like that. Yeah. Very peaceful community.
Yeah.
Very quiet. Ito na yung sentro dito. Sentro.
Central.
Almost.
Porto di Legnago.
Porto.
Porto.
Porto means?
It's like a port,
Port.
Yeah. But this place also is under Legnago. Legnago is the bigger place. That's what they call it. Porto of Legnago.
Okay.
You know that there is that river pass under.
Yeah.
Porto.
Yeah, we're going to pass where the river. We are here now in the bridge. Bridge. So yan. May salog dyan. Ito yung tulay. Yan yung malawak na salog. Tubig. Makulimlim ang araw. Malamig. makulimlim, malamig. Ang hangin ay malamig. So, yeah. Masarap matulog. Patapos na ang aming bakasyon. Babalik na naman kami ng Germany. Back to reality. So, yan. Ito yung sentro dito.
Central is more.
Yeah.
Itself, we are going
Yeah.
straight.
First, we're going to cut your hair. And then we're going to buy plantain for mom. And what else? What we are going to buy? Are we going to pass grocery? Maybe we buy water and milk. You know, so few stuff. Not much grocery. So yan mga bahay dito, oh. Malalaki. Mga pribadong bahay. So yan ang gagawin namin ngayong araw. Magpapagupit, mag-grocery ng kaunti. Ito uwi na. Hindi masyadong maraming ganap.
The brown here. That's
Mhm.
where I used to come. My friend's house lives here. But he now is living in Australia.
May Christmas decoration pa dito. Yung Christmas
My wife
light.
is obsessed with Christmas tree.
And Christmas
Oh my
tree.
God.
But because it's daytime, so the light is off. So yan, papakita lang namin kung ano yung dinadaanan namin. So oh, don't ask me because I don't know where we passed.
Trying to see.
I'm not familiar with this place. I'm just enjoying watching the view.
This is the theater. I used to dance inside the theater here
Ah.
at Linyago Central,
Wow.
especially the other side.
Mhm.
Here we pass. Now the bridge that we on top of.
Mm.
Maybe after we pass there.
So yun ang mahal ko kung ano-ano ang tinuturo. Alam mo, paulit-ulit na kami dumadaan dito. Tapos lagi niyang tinuturo. Kung hindi ko naman maaalala na.
This is the Julieta.
Oh, yan.
This is the cruise, you know. The
Yan, bababa na kami. Dito na daw. So, let's go. So yan, nakababa na kami. Hanapin namin yung pagupitan. Go. Where is the... Dito na kami sa loob ng shop. Papagupit na yung asawa ko. So yan na. So bago kami bumalik ng Germany, kailangan magpagupit.
Era tanto che poi ha aperto. Era tanto che questo edificio ha aperto. Un anno.
Kasi pagbalik ng Germany, wala nang time magpagupit. So yan.
Se del manotto. Allora,
Yung asawa ko, describe kung anong klaseng gupit ang gusto niya.
non proprio zero, una macchina sì, penso che qua non troppo di abbassare, un pochettino.
So, yan. Habang ginugupitan ng asawa ko, dito lang ako magantay. Ito yung shop po. Mamaya malalapan natin kung magkano magpagupit. Ewan ko kung tinanong ng asawa ko kung magkano ang gupit dito. So, yan. Madali lang. Parang madali lang ang gupit. Mabilis lang matapos. Parang nililinis na lang, pinupulido. Tapos, malapit na. Tingnan natin, malapit.
Almost done now. Yes.
So, ayan. Ang pugi-pugi na. Oh, yeah. Mukha nang malinis. Kunti na lang, patapos na. Lilinisin na lang, and then finish. Ako, yan, nag-aantay. So, ayan, tapos na. Kaunting linis. At tapos na siya.
Grazie. Quanto ti devo? Quanto ti devo? 50 ha detto.
We need to,
He was sweet as well.
yeah.
Okay. Enough for liquid? Enough money? Or should I with card?
How much?
15.
Get here.
You want me to use the card?
No, here. Pay 15 euro yung gupit dito. So yan,
Here.
tapos na. Marco, we're going to buy the plantain.
Okay. Yeah, that's all.
So yan, tapos na.
That's small, no? That's small.
Tapos nabibili lang kami ng plantain. Hello. Marco,
Ano?
buy na the plantain, the yellow one mom says. The yellow one.
Choose what you want to choose.
Plastic.
First you have to pick, no?
Hindi.
Oh, okay. Don't grab it with bare hand.
Hey, it's okay.
Okay.
I don't know how to choose. I just going
Yeah.
to take.
How many pieces?
I don't know.
I think 4 is enough. Yeah.
One for.
Domani ghiaccio? Sì, scuro? Non sono io. Così meglio di te.
5 pieces.
Okay,
Grazie.
5 pieces. Okay. My mom, my Halko is making the groceries today.
No,
Yeah.
that's for mom.
Yeah.
3.28.
Okay.
28.
Yeah. Grazie a te.
Let's go.
Ok. Ciao, grazie. Ciao, ciao. Ok lang.
Yeah.
Yep.
So yeah, tapos na kami magpag-uwi. Tapos ang bumili ng plantain. Pundan tayo ng grocery.
She's the same Lignago.
Yeah.
Under here, our friend's shop is here. Oh, inside here. It's called Naked. Just in the angle, that's it.
Uh-huh.
Our also have like 14 years on top of it. This is
Mhm.
the center of Liñago itself.
Sentro.
Yeah.
Oh, this Bangkarile.
No, that is the
Oh, skating.
skating.
Skating for the kids. There. Bangkarile. Bangkarile is like yung mga tiyangge sa atin, sa tabi-tabi. Yan, tinatawag nila ditong Bangkarile.
It's one of the school where I used to teach. One of the classes was the opposite side. And see is where I did my
What?
driving license. Behind
Ah.
the credit here. I went to school there.
Okay.
So, yeah, there's a dancing school.
Mhm.
It's a,
Mhm.
it's one of the, it's the church.
This is a small church.
Yeah.
That's Campana, Campana. We just pass. So, yeah. Yung church niya, Ito. Diba, gawa yan lahat sa bricks. Now made of bricks. That's why the color is like that, brown.
There's a horse coming.
Ah, yes. What that horse? Wow. Oh, there is horse.
They're very huge horses.
Nice. Instead of car, they are using horse. So, yeah. Ikot-ikot lang kami dito. Sa sentro. Mga bahay. Ang tahimik dito talaga. It's very peaceful here. Very quiet neighborhood.
Yeah.
I think this one is apartment. This one, oh.
Yeah.
It's very obvious that it's apartment, not
Some people can own it. Not own
okay.
it as well.
Own. Oh, they are playing soccer. You know.
Walk to the Liñago.
Ah.
I said, I wanted to come and see also my friend playing. So,
They like soccer now.
Italy is a country of
Actually,
football, so
yeah. Football here. The game, the sport here is football.
we
In
play
the-
also basketball, but football is known for
But in the Philippines, it's more on basketball, boxing. Yan, pauwi na kami. Bibili kami ng kaunting grocery. Doon na lang sa malapit sa bahay.
that's another road.
Hmm. There's a lot of way that you can pass going home.
Yeah.
Okay. Yan o, ang dami cabbage fa. Ay, yung cabbage nila dito ay pula. Yan o, cabbage. Pula yan. Nag-harvest sila. Ang dami mga, tray doon, yung kulay green. Ano yan? Ano yung, ano yan?
I
Apple?
maybe,
Apple farm, no? Grapes
I
farm.
can see you, I'm focusing also on driving. So.
Apple farms. Yeah, I saw the apple, oh.
Oh, okay.
Apple. Oh, next time I want to see apple. Apple is bearing fruits and green because they are all no leaves, no
That's the
fruits.
main street that we took going to.
Oh, di ba? Lagi niya yan describe kung nasaan na kami, mga kaibigan niya dati, kung anong lugar na to. Ay,
See?
pagbalik namin,
Mama is at the other side. What is written there?
Vicenza, Liñago. So we're going here. Ay,
Vicenza.
we're going here. Vicenza. Yeah, Minerve. Dito na kami. Ayan o, grocery.
Here we can pass.
We need to, yes. Go to your sister first. It's okay. Because we are here now.
Finish
Sin.
it and then
Didaan daw muna kami ng bahay ng kapatid niya. You are laughing. Why you are laughing?
Why am I laughing?
Ay,
I'm
naku.
laughing because
Nakalimutan ko mag-film sa loob ng grocery. So yan, dito na kami sa bahay. Nakalimutan ko na mag-film sa loob ng grocery store kasi pagdaan namin dun sa bahay ng kapatid niya, ang daming kwentuhan. Nakalimutan ko nang nag-film pala ako, nagbablog ako. So yan, dito na kami sa bahay. Pero konti lang naman yung binili namin. Ano lang, toilet roll, dishwashing liquid, gata, saka tubig. Yun lang naman, 9 euro. So, yan. Dito na, tapos na ang aking vlog for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one.
Baby, why can't you see?